The Power of Breastfeeding, a Gift to Your Child. Introduction. A happy mother holding her baby. Welcome to our 6-minute educational video on the incredible benefits of breastfeeding for both you, as a young mother, and your precious child. In this video, we'll explore the science behind breastfeeding and why it's one of the most precious gifts you can give to your baby. The nutritional goldmine. Visuals comparing breast milk to formula. Breast milk, the ultimate nutrition. Breastfeeding has health benefits for both babies and mothers. Optimal nutrition. Breast milk provides a baby with ideal nutrition and supports growth and development. Immune protection. Breast milk contains antibodies that help protect infants from various illness, infections, and develop immune system. Long-term health benefits. Breastfed babies have a lower risk of asthma, obesity, type 1 diabetes, sudden infant death, diabetes, sudden infant death syndrome, SIDS, and less likely to have ear and gastrointestinal infections. Bonding. The skin-to-skin contact in nursing creates a sense of security, comfort, and forms a strong bond between the baby, ensuring balanced physical and emotional growth. Postpartum benefits of the mother. Breastfeeding helps the uterus contract and return to its pre-pregnancy size for postpartum bleeding. Aids in postpartum weight loss and reduces the risk of breast and ovarian cancer. Explain how breast milk is uniquely designed to meet your baby's nutritional needs. Discuss the perfect balance of proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. Highlight the antibodies and immune-boosting factors found in breast milk that protect your baby from infections. Share statistics on reduced rates of illness in breastfed babies. Bonding and emotional health. The bonding experience. Explore the emotional connection that breastfeeding fosters between you and your baby. Explain how skin-to-skin contact during breastfeeding promotes trust and security. Discuss the release of oxytocin, the love hormone, during breastfeeding. Share personal stories from mothers about the emotional benefits of breastfeeding. Cognitive and physical development. 1. Babies reaching developmental milestones. Heading: Fueling development. Describe how the nutrients in breast milk support your baby's brain development. Highlight the cognitive and emotional advantages associated with breastfeeding. Emphasize the role of long-chain fatty acids in enhancing your baby's IQ. Share research findings on the long-term benefits of breastfeeding on children's development. Health benefits for mothers. Mother practicing self-care. Benefits for you and baby. Discuss how breastfeeding helps with postpartum recovery by contracting the uterus. Highlight how it reduces the risk of breast and ovarian cancers. Emphasize the natural contraception effect, lactational amenorrhea, in the early months. Share stories from mothers who have experienced these benefits. Practical tips for successful breastfeeding. Mother and baby in a comfortable nursing position. Making breastfeeding work. Provide step-by-step guidance on proper latch and breastfeeding positions. Explain the importance of a healthy diet and staying hydrated. Share advice on seeking support from healthcare professionals, lactation consultants, and support groups. Address common misconceptions and concerns about breastfeeding. Section 6, Overcoming Challenges, 1 minute. Supportive healthcare provider counseling a mother facing challenges head-on. Acknowledge that breastfeeding may come with challenges and difficulties. Discuss common issues like engorgement, sore nipples, and how to address them. Stress the importance of seeking help when needed and not giving up easily. Feature real-life stories of mothers who overcame breastfeeding challenges. Conclusion. A mother smiling, holding her thriving baby. Your gift to the future. Reiterate the immense value of breastfeeding for both you and your child. Encourage young mothers to make an informed choice and embrace the journey. Remind viewers that breastfeeding is a unique and priceless bond between mother and child. Final thoughts. Mother, baby, and family sharing a heartwarming moment. Thank you for spending these 6 minutes with us, exploring the world of breastfeeding. Remember that you have the power to give your child the best start in life through the gift of breastfeeding. Wishing you and your baby health, happiness, and a strong, loving bond.